Hi there, and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in the previous lesson, we looked at domain of a function. And domain was all of the x values of that function. What we're going to be starting in this lesson is something called the range of a function. And while the domain was all of the x values, if you look at the definition for range of a function, it's the set of all the outputs or y values of a particular function. So jumping right into exercise number 1, it says to consider the relation h of x equals -1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 8, and 9, 4. First off, is the relation a function? So again, we're just going to use our standard test to see if -1 only has one output of 3. I don't see any other -1s as inputs leading to another output. 2 goes to 4. I don't see a 2 anywhere else. 5 goes to 8, and 9 goes to 4. All the inputs are different, and they all lead to exactly one output. So yes, h of x is a function since each input has exactly one output. All right, and now let's get into the range of the function. If we recall from our previous lesson and we looked at the domain of this function, what we did was we listed out all of the x values, because on a set of points, we talked about this word discrete, where we don't have all of the values in between, we only have the specified values. And that's what we're going to do for range of this function as well. We're going to list out the range in these curly brackets where we just list out the y values. So what are the y values? We have a 3, a 4, an 8, and a 4. Okay? So we have a 3, a 4, an 8, and 4 is the same as 4, so we don't have to list that one out twice. It would be redundant of us to write 3, 4, 8, 4, and have that 4 there twice. So we only need to say it once because those are all of the y values right there, 3, 4, and 8. That covers it all. That's our range of that function given to us right there. Now, this was your first question with listing the range of a function. And if this was helpful to list out the range of a function, give the video a thumbs up, and you're ready for exercise number 2 in this lesson. Thank you for watching.